afternoon. How are you? Here is already afternoon. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I brought you to my kitchen, guys. Oh my god. Guys, how are you doing? Welcome and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rehema Ruby Chacha. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. So guys, make sure you always watch my videos. I will keep on always reminding you that. Okay guys? Like I said, this girl here loves to dance, but you know what? She doesn't know how to dance, but she loves to dance. Have you ever heard of someone who loves to dance but don't know how to dance? So all you do is just shake your body, shake your body, shake your body. Okay, so guys, today I want to do something amazing. So today we going to make some food for lunch, and you people, you're gonna watch me do that. You're gonna watch your girl, right? Okay, so guys, welcome to my kitchen, and this is what we're gonna do. Food for one. I live myself in this house, so no need of making so much food. Okay, so guys, I just want to prepare some bananas for myself. Yeah, I want to prepare some bananas for my stomach. My tummy hurts because I'm hungry. So guys, join me in preparing these amazing food. Welcome and welcome. Okay guys, enough of videos now. So welcome, keep on watching me, okay? So guys, today I came to my kitchen and we don't have running water. Today my sink has no water, so we're gonna do the manual one, the one that I normally do in my village. So I just have to do the bend over, the one that you just bend and just wash the utensils because the kitchen is looking messy. Let me show you guys how my kitchen is looking right now. Look, this is how my kitchen is looking. Things are not in order. I was eating some avocado, my tomato sauce is done. You see how the kitchen is looking like? So we're gonna use this one here to cook. And now, first of all, I want us to start by washing the utensils. Then from there, guys, we're gonna prepare our bananas. I hope you're gonna love it. So guys, I have my water here in my jerrycans. Yeah, you can see them. So this is where I store them. Oh, then these are the things I need to go and dispose. So let me just look for where I can put them. Yeah, guys, we can use this one. Yeah, you can keep the dirt here. There's a lot of dirt. This is going to act as my dustbin for now. Oh my god, this one is not working. So let's look for another one. Let me just use this one. I'll just have to buy another bag. So I have some fish bones here. And the fish bones got some broth, actually broth. Some flies. Okay. Oh, this one is acting as my dustbin, guys. Okay, let me just keep it there. Whew. So the next thing is wash these ones here. So let's get some water. This girl has jokes, but anyway, it's okay. Yeah, so let me keep going here. This one here is coming with me to the spin. And I'm still using this avocado. My milk can still be here. And this one too, I have to dispose them. Yeah. And these ones too, they need to be washed. I don't like it when I don't have water in the house. It becomes messy. You people are like, this girl is mad. I'm not mad. I like moving my body so that I can feel super amazing. Super. Oh my god. Yeah. So guys, let me get my soap and also another place. Oh my goodness. Let me get the soap. Yeah, so this utensil, I'm just going to wash them so quick. Within a twinkle of an eye. That's within a twinkle of an eye, I will be done. I feel so bad, guys, when I don't have water in the kitchen. I feel bored. But anyway, we can do it, we can do it, we can do it. Here we go. My favorite, let me start with it. Look at it, it looks so nice. Next, we gotta get to the. Oh my god, I'm falling. But you're almost. Then we're almost. You know, before you start cooking, you have to make sure your kitchen is clean. So that's what I'm actually trying to do. This is what I use to stir my ugali. If you know the ugali. Yeah. The utensils were not that much. They just feel so. I'm done. Hey, I forgot to buy onions, guys. I forget to buy onions. The idea is just coming to my brain right now. But anyway, I'm gonna just use the tomatoes. I know it will come out smelling good. Right? Right? Yeah. Guys, bending is whack. I can feel my legs. done. This is the last one, okay? My plates are white in color and they're of good size. They're big enough to hold food. I just love my plates. So let me wash this for you so that we can start the cooking. Oh my god, I don't fall down. The place is so slippery. If I fall down, I don't know what I'm gonna do, guys. Oh, we're done. We are done. Just put it in the sink. I'm almost done. Wow, this is a quick one. This is a quick one. So, let us prepare the bananas. Here we have our. So, let us just clean the surface. Wow. Within seconds, this place is clean. Not like the way we got it. Not like the way we got it. The kitchen is now clean, guys. I love it. Here. It's clean. I'm just mopping the floor so that I don't fall down. Because I don't want to fall down. My floor is now clean. My floor is clean. That was amazing. That was amazing. Then the next thing we're gonna do, we just have to peel the bananas. So let's peel our bananas. They're not so much, but just peel. Guys, I don't eat so much, so I'll just prepare a few bananas. We are almost done. Whew, guys, we are there, we are there, we are there, we are there, we are there. Okay. So guys, the next thing that we're gonna do is we have to prepare the ingredients, the onions, the tomatoes, and I have paprika, the fruit one, and I think that's all. Then from there I'm gonna put add my water in the bananas. I just leave them to boil because I love them when they overcook, you know. I love eating bananas that they are overcooked. So guys, I'm gonna grate it because I don't like seeing tomatoes in food. So the next thing is just to grate it. Yeah, I'm grating the tomatoes, you can see. Yes, I'm done with this. It was so easy. Let me just put it there. Yeah, I'm going to wash my hands. Okay? Okay, guys. After washing my hands, I need to start cooking. You can see my tomatoes. So, let's cut we cut them into smaller pieces like this. Yeah. Small pieces. teeth. Just like that. Since I forgot to buy the onions, guys, I just have to use the tomato. I can't think of myself going back again to the store. That place is so far. So I have to. Where's my matchbox? Oh, I kept it here. I have to light my gas. So let me show you my gas where it is. It's here. Yeah, you can see this is where it is. So let's light. Yeah, there we have it. Then I'm gonna put this one here to boil. Let me put it straight. I don't know why it's falling down. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there it's now straight. So I'm gonna add cooking oil. Not so much. Then I'm gonna add my tomatoes. Ready to boil. That's good. Then I'm gonna put inside my Royco. We have to add the Royco cube, okay? Just like that. What else? Let me put the masala. Beef masala. Just a little. Yeah. Then salt. Try to dip my salt. Yeah. Here I have my salt. I don't know what's been in this side. Guys, look. Yeah, it's like that. Nothing much. That's it, nothing much. So the last step that I'm gonna do is to add my water and leave it to boil. So I just added my water. Yeah. You add water and leave it to boil. So I'm gonna cover it just like that. Just like that. Doesn't so much work. Hi. So guys, here I am again. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for watching me prepare my lunch. I love you so much, guys. Remember to always watch my videos, to always share my videos, to always comment, leave a positive comment, guys. You know, I love you so much. Stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be lit. The next video is just going to be fire. So stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to give me a positive comment and keep on supporting this young lady. I have my PayPal on the bio. I have my WhatsApp number on the bio. Don't forget, guys. I love you so much. much. Bye.